Hello everyone, my name is Sricharan Pulijala and I am here to give a review of CMA Intermediate Direct Tax and Auditing classes of Nikhil Gupta sir. I would like to thank Nikhil sir for the classes. They are really extraordinary because of sir's interactive skills. It doesn't feel like a one-way interaction and it doesn't at all feel like a recorded class. So throughout the course, sir kept engaging and I was personally a beneficiary of the weekly classes which have been conducted by sir. Sir takes weekly Google Meet sessions through which we get a chance to test ourselves. It's nothing short of a chapter-wise test series, and you get to interact with sir. That's the best thing. And I would like to thank sir for being a mentor, not just a teacher. And sir had guided me constantly throughout my CMA intermediate and CA intermediate preparation, and is currently guiding me with the same. I would like to clear my CMA intermediate and CA intermediate with flying colors and then have a face-to-face interaction with Nikhil sir. Thank you sir, and to the students I just want to say go for it, because these classes you will not regret after investing yourself in it. Thank you, and as Nikhil sir says, all the very best and happy studying.
Hi everybody, Anurag this side. Currently I am pursuing CMA Intermediate, and to sail through this journey I have purchased Nikhil sir direct taxation classes. And in this short video I want to thank him for all the support and guidance he is providing, which is very motivating for every student. Do you know what is the best thing and USP for Nikhil sir classes is that it is strictly based on CMA syllabus and the material which is provided by ICMI itself. Moreover, the weekly live session also helps a lot, and it provides you opportunity to directly interact with your mentor one-to-one and ask your problem directly with him. More than that, the test series which is still going on helps a lot to synchronize all the things we have studied to what comes in paper. So now we can solve the paper in the quickest manner possible. Overall, I am very happy with the direct taxation classes which I have purchased, and I hope that I will make you proud sir by securing exemption in the subject. Signing off, Anurag. Happy studying.
I am currently watching his classes and I am very blessed to have a teacher like him. He is not just a teacher but he is a great mentor too. Firstly, I would like to tell you that I was mostly into face-to-face classes, but due to COVID-19 I had to buy recorded classes, and I am not at all regretful for taking Nikhil sir's classes. The way he explains the topics and clears the concepts is just amazing. And the best part about this class that they are CMA exclusive. So the entire syllabus of the CMA is covered along with the live sessions which sir used to provide. I don't feel like it's a one-way communication. Even the live test series helps to boost the confidence in a particular chapter and a subject. Not just me, even my father loves to watch his classes along with me because of his mind-blowing examples. I would like to thank Nikhil sir's team as they are always helpful and connected to the students. And I would love to thank Nikhil sir for being such a great mentor to all CM students. Thank you, and in Nikhil sir's way, happy studying.
I have taken classes from Nikhil Gupta sir for direct taxation, and I would like to share my experience for the same. No doubt, Nikhil Gupta sir is a very good teacher. If teaching would be an art, then Nikhil Gupta sir is an artist. If I talk about the classes, the first feature of the classes are that they are CMA exclusive. The syllabus you will get will only be restricted to the institute study material. Even the book provided by the Nikhil sir is strictly based on institute study material, which will helpful to get thoroughly knowledge of your study mat, and there is no need to separate cover your study material of institute. And also we do weekly live session for clearing our doubts, having revision of the topics and test for the topics. In fact, now there is regular live sessions going on of not only the subject taught by Nikhil Gupta sir, but also all the teachers of the Bright Vision Academy are teaching and I would like to say happy study.
So, what are you waiting for? Join Bright Vision Academy for getting accurate guidance on your next big milestone, which is CMA Intermediate. Just to reiterate, certain important features which we provide. Number one, exclusive classes for CMA student. All our faculties are teaching exclusively to CMA students, which means the study mat of the ICMI will be entirely covered in the video lectures as well as face-to-face classes, which means each and every problem, each and every question, each and every theoretical and practical part will be covered from study mat in our video lectures as well as face-to-face classes. Number two, weekly live sessions will happen for all the 4 teachers, including myself in direct taxation. Then regular doubt clearing sessions will be arranged, and the sessions will not only be on WhatsApp, they will also be on calls. So you can directly call up the teacher, talk to him or her, in a virtually live manner, which means you don't have to just type your lengthy queries on WhatsApp and send it to the teacher, and then teacher will reply it back. No, you can just pick up your phone and can call the teacher. Test series will be a regular feature of our course, because yes, without giving test you will not be able to assess your development, you will not be able to assess your progress. Third and fourth and very important feature is that, guys, we provide separate studio recording for online students. So we do not record our live lectures which we are delivering in front of the students, because those lectures contains a lot of noise, a lot of questions and queries which students ask, which you will not be able to hear. So we don't record our live sessions of face-to-face classes. We provide separate studio recording exclusively created for online students. So you will be getting studio recorded classes which will be made exclusively for you. We do not record our face-to-face or live sessions and give it to our online students. Next, face-to-face classes are being held in Lakshmi Nagar, Delhi, for all CMA intermediate student. And of course, guys, the students who are taking the face-to-face classes in Delhi, they will get access to the online lectures which are separate studio recordings. Okay, so face-to-face teacher will be teaching you live in a classroom setup. Those face-to-face classes will not be recorded, but you will be provided with separate studio recordings. You will be provided with studio recordings which will be exclusively created for online students. They will be provided absolutely free of cost to the face-to-face class students as well. Validity of all our online lectures will be till the examination. So in any inadvertent attempt or any inadvertent circumstance of deferring or postponing the attempt, we'll give you an extension till your examination. So suppose your examination is in June 22, then you will get classes as of now till June 22. If for any reason it gets extended to August, your classes will be extended free of cost till August. Next, unlimited views will be provided to you, which means you can watch the lectures as many times as you want. Unlimited times you can watch the lectures, and you will be getting benefit of watching the lectures again and again, whichever topic are difficult. So guys, like for example in direct tax, there are certain topics which are very, very critical. Student might want to see those lectures twice, thrice, or when the exam would be nearing, then at that point in time the student might be required to watch those classes one more time or two more times. So particular sections of the lectures. So unlimited classes will be provided to you, so that you don't have that glitch in mind, you don't have that embargo in mind that my views will be lapsed, so I should watch the videos carefully. This thing you need not keep in your mind. Just watch them freely. Unlimited times you can watch the videos. So that is a premier feature of our classes. Then of course hard books will be provided to all of you for all the subjects. Yes, that's all for this particular session, and I just wanted to keep you abreast with the position that, guys, now your results have been out. There has been time since your results has been out. Now it's time to now pull up your socks, get your buckles tight, and let's be on the go for the next big target of our career, CMA Intermediate. All the very best and happy studying.